Hey, quick hello before you scroll away. I want to talk to you about the BenQ MA270UP, because this is one of those upgrades you don't realize you needed until the first day you use it. This is for the kind of person who actually cares how things look on their screen. Not in a flashy way, but in a quiet, professional way. You notice when colors feel off. You feel it when text strains your eyes. You're the type who values precision, even if you've been tolerating less than ideal for far too long. Before you get comfortable, check the current price and stock. Displays like this tend to move fast, and timing matters more than people admit. There's usually a moment that triggers this upgrade. Maybe you connected your MacBook to an older monitor and immediately felt the mismatch. Colors shifted. Brightness felt wrong. You started adjusting settings again and again, never fully satisfied. That's when it hits you that your laptop deserves a screen that actually speaks the same language. The first thing you feel after switching is calm. The image just looks right. White stop looking bluish. Colors stop feeling exaggerated. Your eyes relax because you're no longer compensating. You trust what you're seeing, and that changes how you work. Imagine editing photos where skin tones finally feel natural. Writing or coding for hours without eye fatigue creeping in. Watching content where everything looks clean and balanced instead of overly sharp or dull. Even basic tasks feel more premium because the display stops getting in the way. The performance here isn't loud. It's reassuring. Once you experience this level of visual consistency, going back to a generic monitor feels immediately wrong. Every time you consider something cheaper, you remember how effortless this feels. Don't wait too long and assume pricing will stay put. Displays like this tend to fluctuate, and hesitation usually turns into annoyance later. You might be thinking a monitor is just a monitor. That belief disappears once you stop fighting brightness controls, color mismatches, and cable clutter. Everything feels unified. One connection. One experience. Less friction. Here's the surprise benefit most people don't expect. It makes your MacBook feel upgraded too. The whole setup feels intentional, like it was designed to work together instead of patched together. Owning something built at this level brings a quiet pride. You sit down, glance at your desk, and feel like your workspace finally reflects your standards. Colors look natural and trustworthy, text feels sharp without strain, your desk setup feels clean, and intentional long sessions feel easier on your eyes. Everything just works together smoothly. It's tuned specifically for Mac users, not built for high refresh gaming. At some point, the comparison loop ends. You stop reopening tabs because you already know which screen feels right to you. Choosing it just makes sense. If you're ready to stop adjusting and start enjoying what's in front of you every day, check the current price and availability of the BenQ MA270UP now. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you delay and wish you'd done sooner.